slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play.
Robots in factories. We've seen that before, but what's happening in China right now is different. These aren't mindless machines following preset instructions. They're making decisions, adapting, and even looking out for each other. No human required. UBTECH's Walker S1 humanoid robots are working together at the Zeekr's smart automotive factory, forming an intelligent swarm that organizes itself, solves problems, and keeps production moving. This is more than just automation. It's a shift in how factories operate, and it's happening right now. Let's break it down. UBTECH is one of China's leading robotics companies. While names like Tesla, Agility Robotics, and Figure AI grab attention in the West, UBTECH has been quietly advancing humanoid robotics in China. Their focus isn't on single-purpose automation, but on creating robots that integrate into complex environments and handle real-world tasks with precision. Headquartered in Shenzhen, UBTECH has spent years refining its technology, investing heavily in AI-driven robotics, and pushing forward large-scale humanoid deployment. They've established partnerships with major manufacturers, proving their systems can handle the intense demands of modern industry. Their work is solely focused on reshaping how industries operate with intelligent, autonomous systems. And their latest leap forward? A humanoid robot that works without any human oversight, organizes tasks in real time, and ensures factories stay productive. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, Walker S1. At Zeekr's smart automotive factory, these humanoid robots aren't working as isolated units. They form an intelligent swarm, connected through a shared AI system that lets them coordinate and adapt on the fly. Not exactly automation in the traditional sense. Instead of following preset instructions, the Walker S1 evaluates its surroundings and makes decisions based on live data. Its AI-driven approach means it doesn't need constant reprogramming. The S1 features 360-degree safety monitoring through its camera system, ensuring safe navigation and interaction. Its 3D vision allows precise depth and distance perception for tasks like object manipulation. The robot's dexterous hands with tactile sensors enable it to handle tasks with precision. Whether it's lifting a heavy component, sorting materials, or inspecting a product, the robot assesses the task, adjusts its movements, and executes with accuracy. But this is where things get interesting. These humanoids constantly monitor each other, ensuring the entire system runs smoothly. When one robot runs low on battery, another immediately steps in to charge it, preventing downtime. If a task requires multiple robots, they distribute the workload, moving together like a coordinated team. This ability to work together is not only efficient, it's a fundamental shift in factory automation. The Walker S1 is optimizing entire workflows. The more units deployed, the more adaptable and responsive the system becomes. And this level of coordination extends beyond the production line. Walker S1 is already proving its capabilities, but its role in the factory is only one part of the bigger picture. Because UBTECH is pushing automation forward, not just doing the basics, they're developing an entire AI-powered ecosystem where humanoid robots handle tasks that once required human precision. We'll look into that next. So how do these robots work together so smoothly? The secret isn't some magical factory telepathy, it's UBTECH's BrainNet AI System, a network that allows Walker S1 robots to function as a synchronized team instead of isolated units. Think of it like a hive mind. Every Walker S1 is constantly chatting with the others, not about the weather or last night's game, but about who's lifting what, where things need to go, etc. Each robot communicates, shares real-time data, and adjusts to changing conditions. If one robot encounters an issue, the others immediately adapt to keep production moving. There's no waiting for human input, no need for manual reprogramming. And as the numbers grow, so does their potential. Looking back, UBTECH's journey into humanoid robotics began with the Walker series. The original walker debuted in 2018 as a humanoid robot designed for home and office assistance. It was an early showcase of their AI and robotics capabilities. That's when they set a Guinness World Record with 1,372 Alpha S1 robots dancing in perfect sync. It was pretty amazing to watch. When COVID-19 hit in 2020, they stepped up, sending robots to help medical workers in Shenzhen, showing how useful robots can be in real-world situations. Then in 2021, they brought their tech to education, delivering pint-sized robots to 300 preschools in Seoul to help kids learn. By 2022, the company was already pushing boundaries with the Walker S prototype, the first step toward making humanoid robots more industrially capable. It paved the way for the more advanced Walker S1 we see today. But humanoid robots weren't UBTECH's only focus. In 2021, they introduced the Panda robot, a cuddly, AI-powered bot inspired by China's national treasure. The bot even took on a symbolic role as the global ambassador for peace and friendship at Expo 2020 Dubai. In 2014, UBTECH introduced their first humanoid robot, the Alpha One, and they've been innovating ever since, even showcasing their tech at IFA Berlin in 2017. And in December 29, 2023, and they hit a huge milestone, getting listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Fast forward to 2025, and the Panda UU takes things further, with the ability to interact naturally and even serve drinks at events. It's been quite a ride for UBTECH, and they've definitely earned their spot as a leader in robotics. From friendly AI pandas to full-scale industrial robots, UBTECH has been steadily advancing robotics with real-world applications in mind. With China's goal of dominating the humanoid robotics market by 2027, the competition is fierce. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Agility Robotics are in the race, but UBTECH's AI-driven humanoid systems are leading the way in more industrial settings. It's not just about factories either. UBTECH is also developing a hyper-realistic humanoid robot, which was showcased at the LEAP 2025 conference in Saudi Arabia. Una, as it's called, isn't yet listed in UBTECH's official product portfolio, meaning it's likely still in the prototype or development stage. So, while Una may not be taking your coffee order just yet, it's one step closer to making human-robot interactions feel a lot more natural. So, as humanoid robots get smarter and more capable, we're witnessing a shift that could change the future of work as we know it. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of AI and robotics. And if you want to see more cutting-edge innovations, check out this next video right here.